All right, it is gig day, and of course, like every gig day, we've got something exciting and fun to do. I've decided I'm gonna take my drum riser and I'm gonna cut off about 10 inches off the back. It's just a little bit too long for what we've been using it for, and we don't use all that space, so we might as well save space on the stage. So why not do it day of the gig? I am just picking up the U-Haul. We will see how long this takes. Very easy process. You just walk in, give them your card information, you choose your size. I went with a 5x8. We need a little bit extra size because we're going to be carrying a little bit more equipment tonight, and then we'll be heading back to load up. Well, it turns out I was an idiot and I forgot to put the hitch on, so we are back here to throw this bad boy on. Hi, I'm recording a video. Well, I decided not to put the hitch on, so I got there without it. What this does is it helps so that this doesn't rattle when you're moving, and it keeps locked in really well. And you don't need this giant of a wrench or ratchet or whatever. I have this left over from my car tires. As you can see, I got the trailer this time. As the events of the day have been unfolding, apparently I was also dumb and forgot to buy the pants I needed for this event. I needed some khaki pants. It's gonna be a little bit nicer outside, and I wanted to look a little dressy. I don't want to wear shorts, but I obviously don't want to wear jeans. It's way too hot. So to the mall I go. People still go to the mall? Guess we'll find out. All right, as you can see, it's incredibly sunny. We are starting to set up. We got motorcycles rolling in. If you haven't yet, I suggest buying a white shirt. Sounds crazy, but even the long sleeves, you think they'd make you hotter, but they actually cool you off. They block more of that sun. But let's check out all this stuff as we set up. We are all set up. I just gotta test some stuff up and do the sound. Taking a little break right now. I need to change my clothes still. I'm still gonna be wearing white, but we should be good to go here in a little bit. We knocked out one set already, and it's pretty hot out here, but you can see the crowd here is starting to fill in a little bit. Real cool little venue here. We'll be knocking out another set, and it'll be a good time. All right, we are all finished up packing up, got everything in the U-Haul. It was a hot, but it was a great night. We had a great turnout and it was a lot of fun.